Hello and welcome. We are students of the elective subject of physics at the Liceo Leonardo Murialdo, and we're here to show you how to make a solar oven. To do this, you will need the following materials: a scarf antenna, small mirrors, a glass cutter, tools like safety gloves and electric drills to make the base for the antenna, and of course, some boards to serve as material for making this base. At first, let's calculate how many 5 by 5 cm mirrors we need to cover all the surface of our antenna. Let's calculate, Martin.
To know how many mirrors we need to cover our antenna, we must know the area of our antenna and the mirrors. The formula to know the area of the antenna is the one we always use to know the area of a circle. That's P times the radius squared, which gives us this result. But we have a little problem. The radius is in centimeters and we need it to be in meters.
How we pass it to meters, Martin?
That's a very good question, sweetheart. To pass it to meters, we must know that centi means 10 to the minus 2, which will give us the following. What we get is 3.40 plus 30 times 10 to the minus 2 meters. We solve it and we have 0.34 square meters left. Now, we need to know the area of our square. In this case, the formula is the base times the height. Applying it, we have 25 square centimeters left. But we have the same problem. It is in centimeters, so we apply the same method. And we have 25 times 10 to the minus 4. Now that we have both data, we just have to make a small and simple division between these two. Removing the mirrors, and we are left with 116 mirrors that we need to cover the whole area of the antenna.
Now we proceed to glue the mirrors that focus the oven light. Please use a strong glue, not the cold adhesive. After finishing applying it for it, we begin to make the base of the antenna by simply adjoining the antenna to some wooden boards, allowing you to adjust the focal point by moving the base or tilt of the antenna. Here, for example, we mold this piece of plastic. Finally, we are going to conduct the experiment where we'll boil 300 milliliters of water in the oven, measuring the water temperature every 30 seconds, starting at 20.4 degrees. In this graph of the experiment, we can see how the water increased its temperature rapidly in the solar oven. This project didn't cost us more than approximately $30, making it quite economical to carry out. In addition, in terms of environmental impact, it's a very ecological method of heating things, making it a viable option for economical and eco-friendly heating. Even with disadvantages like this dependence on the sun, we highly recommend its construction. And with this, the video ends. We hope you like it. Goodbye.